Hi guys, and welcome back to Time with me, modkgole. If you're a return subscriber, welcome back. Anything new to my channel, welcome to you too. While we're here, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notification every single time I post a video, and follow my social friends on social media. As you guys can see by the title of today's video, this video is in collaboration with Busties, and I am very excited to review the product Busties. Let me show it to you guys. Review Busties. It's a breast tape kit, which I'm really excited to review, and let me explain the whole backstory of it. As you guys can see right now, actually, before I even explain the backstory of all of this, on my birthday, for my birthday dress, the dress that I wore for my photo shoot, I really wanted, a breast tape, and I was like, oh my goodness, it's about time that I invest in breast tape. Lo and behold, a few weeks after, Busties contacted me and asked me if I'd like to review their breast tape kit, and obviously I said yes, which I'm going to be reviewing with you guys today and unboxing it. I've already opened it to see what is inside, but I'll still be showing you guys what is inside. And as you guys can see right now, currently I am not wearing any bra because I'm going to be applying the breast tape and to show you guys the lift that this breast tape gives onto you. So yeah guys, as you guys can see right now, I don't have anything, and this is like a v-neck top. So obviously, as I'm wearing this top, I would like a lot more support, and I would like my boobs to be lifted up because I am always wearing a bra, and my friends grill me for this, that I'm always wearing a bra. So this top is not a top that you can actually wear a bra for, and I feel like the Busties tape will be able to help and support me in wearing this top. So I am going to be showing you guys what is inside the box. I've been in the box with you guys to show you guys what is inside the box, and also on the box it does state what is inside the box. There's a roll of breast tape, there's a pair of reusable silicone nipple covers, there's satin flowers, 4 satin nipple covers, and there's skin sensitivity kit, which is really important. So as I open the box, as I told you guys, I've already opened the box, but I repackaged it the way in which they packaged it. So as I open the box, it says your tassels have called, they needed a lift, and no lie, my tassels right now, they do need a lift, because I'm just so used to wearing bras that it just feels so strange not wearing one right now. Okay, so the very first thing is that there is this is a testing kit to make sure that you're not allergic to the product. It's inside of here. I did try the product and I am not allergic to it at all, but then you put this on for at least 24 hours to make sure that you're not allergic to it, or that your skin is not reacting to the tape, because obviously everybody's skin is different, and it does tend to happen that you could be allergic or you could react to it. So on here it says, before the use of the breast tape, use the test strap on your ribs for 24 hours. Make sure that you aren't allergic to the tape. After the first 24 hours, if you have a rash, irritation, do not use. I find it very good that they actually put this, so at least when you're returning it, you haven't opened the whole kit and then you find out that you're allergic to the whole thing, and they just give you something to test on. Obviously the boob tape, as I did mention, I did already open it, but this is the boob tape. I think it's like 2 by 16 by 4.4 if I'm not mistaken. So this is the boob tape that they give you. It is a clear nude boob tape. It actually kind of matches with my top. Here are the nipple covers, here are the flower nipple covers. This design is so cute. Who would have thought that there'd be like flower cute design nipple covers? And then here are the silicone nipple covers. There's obviously 2 silicone nipple covers, and there's also protection for your nipples so that there isn't any injury. And I forgot to mention, every single time you put on the breast tape, it is advised, highly advised and recommended that you do put on the nipple covers so that you do not have any problem taking it off, if you get what I mean. There's the other silicone nipple cover, and then they come with a little bag. Guys, this bag is so adorable. And this bag is so convenient because you're able to put all your products inside of the bag, and I feel like nobody will be able to ever suspect what is inside. You can put in, for me, for example, I can put in my carry-on bag, you can put in your backpack, you can put in your luggage, and your tape won't get ruined. Imagine guys, let me show you. Look at how cute and convenient this is. You just put everything in. I know that there's just put everything in, you close it, and then you put it in whatever bag you're going to be traveling in. This is really, really cute. Instructions of how to apply the tape. This is how to apply it, and there's also a QR code, and also on the box there's a QR code on how you're able to apply, and there's also videos and photos on how to apply the boob tape and also how to take it off, which is very convenient if you're somebody that's lazy to scan the QR code. There's instructions on how to put it on and also how to take it off, which is very necessary and highly important. This is the before of how my boobs look, and I am going to be applying the boob tape. I am back, and for the purpose of the video, you guys will be able to see the boob tape over here. I put it along the side to be able to give me a lift. I don't know, can you guys tell? like everything is stable. Like I'm literally jumping up and down and everything is stable, and guys, it's extremely comfortable. I can't even feel that there's any boob tape on me. And as you guys can see, I did get a bit of a lift. I lifted it up just like a little bit. Like I'm even lifting them now, I'm like, oh my goodness, why do they look bigger than they were before? But then I gave my boobs just a bit of a lift, and now you're able to see a bit of a cleavage and looks good. But as I said, for the purpose of the video and the color of the top, obviously you'll be able to see it. And as I said, it is new. So look at the support that my boobs have. Like I don't even feel like I'm wearing any boob tape. Like I don't feel like anything is, what's the word in English? Like man, I don't know, and they don't even know, but like nothing is holding me back. Like I feel extremely comfortable. This boob tape is extremely comfortable. The nipple covers extremely, like I don't feel like I am wearing a bra. Nothing is holding me, nothing is pinching me, nothing is too tight. Like everything just feels so comfortable. And guys, look, as I said that I did do a make it round because of the shape of the top, but then I wouldn't want to wear a top like this, to wear nothing, not a nude top. I highly recommend that you wear a black top or something different, but then this is how the end results are for me. And as I said, I'm finding it extremely comfortable. And here is a bit of my lift, and now I have a bit of cleavage, which is really good and quite exciting. And when you guys purchase it, please let me know if you guys are purchasing it, and please also tag me and also Busties on your post. But yeah guys, this is the lift that gave it to me. Like I promise you, this is so comfortable. And the one that I had decided to do, I decided to do a make it round because I felt like a make it round made sense because of the top and the position of the top, because I wouldn't be able to do all the other ones because it'll be able to show and reveal. But yeah guys, I like how comfortable it is. Like I absolutely love the support that my boobs are getting right now. I love it. Guys, please do check out Busties. You'll absolutely, like, one thing about me is that I'm not going to tell you guys about something that I personally myself would not use or myself would not like. And I highly do recommend that you guys use this product, especially for like the strapless dresses, especially for like shoulderless dresses. And I wear a lot of like shoulderless and strapless stuff these days, and my friends literally call me all the time for wearing a bra, and now my days of wearing a bra are gone. I'm just gonna go put up my fleece cake because of how comfortable it is. Can you guys see? I love it. I absolutely love it. That is the end of the video. If you guys would like to check them out, please do check out the link down in the description box. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and as I said, don't forget to check Busties. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.